Hello everybody, my name is Mauricio José Fontalvo Alcázar. Today I'm going to talk about the movie of the writing task, Avengers Endgame. The movie begins when Captain Marvel rescues Tony Stark and Nebula, who were stranded in space, and takes back to Earth. In the Avengers complex, there are many Avengers. Steve, Rocket, Bruce, Natasha, Rose, and Pepper. And they await them. The note of the movie is when 5 years later, Scotland appears and he talks to Steve and Natasha about the Quantic Kingdom, and he tells them that they can do a time robbery and get the entire to get the Infinity Gems. They plan to travel back in time and retrieve the gems using the pin particle. When they get the gems, Thanos finds out about the plan and decides to travel back in time. Back, the Avengers have a glove ready, and the Hulk puts it on to snap his fingers. Meanwhile, Thanos traveled back in time and attacks the Avengers' headquarters. At that moment, the battle begins, but still Tony and Thor cannot beat Thanos. That's when the missing Avengers return to fight Thanos and his army. The battle for the Glove of Infinity rages, and Captain Marvel appears at the most critical moment of the battle. She destroyed Thanos' ship, and these two start fighting. Thanos managed to take Carol's glove off, and that's when Doctor Strange looks at Tony and points his finger at him, telling him, "One chance." That's when Tony approaches Thanos, and without him noticing, he takes the gem from his glove. Thanos thinks he won, and when he snaps his fingers, he realizes that the gems are not in the glove. That's when Tony snaps his fingers, and Thanos and his army disappear in front of them, giving victory to the Avengers. The ending is when Tony dies, and they pay tribute to him for saving the universe. Few Avengers left since with Natasha and Tony dead. Steve decides to return the gems and makes your life with Peggy. This is the ending of the movie. So, what did I learn about the movie? Well, I learned the value of appreciating people in life, friendship, and the possibility to change who we are. How did the film make you feel? Well, a mixture of emotions. The film has a strong emotional arc. In my opinion, I hope that everything can change and the evil can also end. How does the movie relate to the academic program you are studying? Well, a company like Tony necessary needs an engineer because requires managing resources well and taking advantage of them to do something. that engineer is creating, innovating, improving, and offering solutions that help improve the lifetime. And another ending for the movie could be that neither Natasha and Tony had died. Well, see you later. Bye bye. Thank you.